So a king once asked the sage a question that was, well, basically impossible to answer.
He wanted a complete list of every single thing the divine had ever done. Ever.
And the sage's response, yeah, that's an impossible task. No one could ever complete it.
To explain why, he gave this really powerful analogy.
He said it's like trying to count every single particle of dust on the entire planet. So how do we even begin to grasp the infinite? Well, we look at the avatars. Okay, let's dive into some of the most critical rescues when existence itself was on the line.
First, in the form of a giant fish, he saved the seeds of all life from a cosmic flood.
This action basically ensured that life and knowledge would survive into the next age.
Then, as a massive boar, he rescued the earth from the very bottom of the cosmic ocean.
You see, a demon had tossed the earth into the abyss, so he just lifted it right out.
Next up, as a giant tortoise, he became the literal foundation for a massive cosmic event. His back provided the stable base they needed to churn out the nectar of immortality.
But it isn't always about saving the whole cosmos. Sometimes it's about restoring moral order. To protect a devout follower, he took on this absolutely terrifying form. This form, half man, half lion, was a brilliant way to bypass the demon's invulnerability. And you know, it's not always about force. Sometimes it's about being clever. With just 3 simple steps, he reclaimed the entire cosmos for the gods. Pretty smart. This pattern of divine heroes continues right into the epic ages, with 2 very different heroes. And what this all shows is a cycle that's always in motion. Past, present, and even the future. So we're right back where we started. Just like the sage said, these deeds are truly countless. Which leaves us with a big question for our own time. What does cosmic balance look like right now?